Hello children, how are you? So now 5th class mathematics. 5th class mathematics, 13th chapter fraction, part 3. So in previous class we are discussing now from grocery bill, the grocery bill. So half part only completed now and previous class, now we will be continuing. So page number 120. See here, half liter mustard oil. Half liter mustard oil. Half liter mustard oil. So 1 liter oil cost how much here? In there having no one figure, items and price. So mustard oil 1 liter cost 120 rupees per liter. 120 rupees per liter. See here, half liter into 120. So don't confuse no. Half liter into 120 rupees. See here, 2 1 2, 2 6 12, 60 rupees. Therefore, 60 rupees. How much it is? 60 rupees for half liter mustard oil cost. So then 6th one, 1 and half. 1 plus half kg sugar. So 1 kg sugar cost how much here? 1 kg sugar cost in this picture 32 rupees. 1 kg sugar cost 32 rupees. 32 rupees. See here, 1 plus half kg. This is not 1 here. 1 plus half. So 1 plus 1 kg means 32 rupees plus half kg. So half into 30. Yes or no children? So here 1 into 30, 32. Here half into 32. So 1 into 32, 32. 1 into any number, that number only came now? Yes. 132 is 32. See here 2 1 2, 16. 16 2 is 32 now? Yes. Plus 16. 32 plus 16, how much it is? 2 plus 6, 8. First 1's place will add, then 10's place numbers. 3 plus 1, 4. 48 rupees sugar cost. Yes or no? Okay. Then B question you will observe children. If Kaumudi buys half kg of tea powder for 90 rupees. So Kaumudi buys half kg of tea powder for 90 rupees. So what is the cost of 1 kg tea powder? So here not given now tea powder cost. Okay, we will find out that. So half kg tea powder cost only they given. What is the half kg tea powder cost? 90 rupees. So what about the 1 kg tea powder cost? So we will do that, okay? You will be write first this. Write all of you. Okay. Okay children, now B1. Half kg tea powder. Half kg cost of half kg tea powder. How much it is half kg tea powder? 90 rupees. Powder 90 rupees. So there a question to ask you know how much will be her grocery bill. So whatever coming 1, 2, 3, 6th problems to total you will add it now. That answer will become. So half kg tea powder cost 90 rupees. So 1 kg tea powder. 1 kg tea powder. So we don't know now. Cost of 1 kg tea powder. So we don't know. So which time we have to find out that? See here. 1 kg equals to 2 into 500 grams. 500 grams means half kg, no? You know that? 500 grams. So 1 kg equals to 2 into 500 grams. So here 1 kg to how many 500 grams having? 2, no? Yes. So here half kg to 90 rupees. So it means 1 kg to 2 into 90 rupees. Understand our the concept? 2 into 90 rupees. 90 into 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 nines are 80. So 180 rupees. Therefore, cost of 1 kg tea powder. Cost of 1 kg tea powder is equals to 180 rupees. Write down, children. No doubt. Understand all of you? You will take another number also. You will find out now. So your home too also you are taking no grocery. Your mother or your father. You also go one time. You will discuss, no? You will do that. How many kgs to how much will be came? How much money you want? Okay? You will find out. Next C question, you will see, children. If Kaumudi buys 1/4 kg of chilli powder for 40 rupees. So 1/4 part for 40 rupees. So how much would 1 kg chilli powder cost? So 1/4 part chilli powder 40 rupees. Then 1 kg chilli powder cost how much it is? See, we will find out. See here, if Kaumudi buys 1/4 kg of chilli powder, 1/4 kg of chilli powder, cost of 1/4 kg of chilli powder. You write the question, children, in textbook to see and write the question. Then after only you will be write the answer. This solution, okay? Kg of chilli powder. So how much it is cost? 40 rupees. 40 rupees. So here 1 kg equals to 4 into 250 grams. So 250 grams is equals to 1/4 kg. Understand? You will be learn it now. 1 kg equals to 4 into 250 grams. So 250 grams equals to 1/4 kg, no? Yes. 1/4 kg. See here. 1/4 kg. So cost of, here asking 1 kg chilli powder cost, no? Cost of 1 kg chilli powder. Cost of 1 kg chilli powder. How much it is? 4 into 40 rupees. 40 into 4. 0 4s are 0. 0 into any number. 0 only came now. 4 4s are 60. 160 rupees. This is the answer. So you will note down. Next one, children. How much cloth did Renu use? How much cloth did Renu use? So you will be write this first. Listen, children, now. How much cloth did Renu use? How much cloth did Renu use? So in that page only having now. How much cloth did Renu use? Renu use. See here. Renu is stitching a frock for her daughter and a shirt for her son. So Renu is stitching for a frock for her daughter and shirt for her son. She purchased a 1 meter of Mangalagiri cotton cloth and 1 meter of Pochampalli cotton cloth. She uses 3/4 part of Mangalagiri cotton cloth to stitch frock, 1/2 of Pochampalli cotton cloth to stitch this shirt. So you will be write that question, children, page number 120 and 21. A question you will see. They are giving something now. How many centimeters of Mangalagiri cotton cloth does Renu use? So how many centimeters of cloth Renu use? See here. So A1 answer. You will be write the question. See in your textbook 121. Use that. Quantity of Mangalagiri cotton cloth. Mangalagiri cotton cloth. Quantity of Mangalagiri cotton cloth. So, how much time does Renu have? So, total how much cloth she has? How much Mangalagiri cotton cloth? 1 meter. So, 1 meter Mangalagiri cotton cloth. 1 meter. So, 1 meter equals to how many centimeters, children? Do you know? 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters, not 1000, only 100. Renu uses 3/4 part of the Mangalagiri cotton cloth. Renu uses how much? 3/4 part. 3/4 part of the Mangalagiri cotton cloth. Mangalagiri cotton cloth. She So it means 3 by 4 into 100. 3 by 4 into 100. You know children portable? Okay. You know 30. See here. 4 1 is 4. 4 2 is 8. Remaining 2 no. 4 5 is 20. 25. So 3 into 25. 25 into 3. 3 5 is 15. 1 carry. 3 2 is 6. 7. 75 rupees. How much? Sorry, 75 centimeters. Sorry, children, not rupees. 75 centimeters of cloth she is using for craft. So, what is the remaining cloth? Remaining cloth. Remaining cloth. So 100 centimeters minus 75 centimeters. 100 minus 75. 25 now. 25 centimeters. 25 centimeters. The remaining cloth. So you will be write down, children. So next to B1, how many centimeters of Pochampalli cotton cloth does Renu use? Pochampalli cotton cloth. So half part only na. So you will be do that problem. Okay. So balance the pants. Balance the pants. So which line we are balancing that pants? See here. So half kg equals to how much? 500 grams. You will be right now. So I am showing that. So balance pan. Half kg. They are given now half kg. So 500 grams. You will be right there. There box two. Then 1 by 4 kg. 1 by 4 kg. You will be writing notebook to also no. Don't draw that, but you will be writing this. 250 grams. 3 by 4 kg. Is equals to 750 grams. Write this. How much cooking oil is there in Manju's house? How much cooking oil is there in Manju's house? 1 by 4 liter of mustard oil, 1 by 2 liter groundnut oil, 3 by 4 liter sunflower oil. How many liters of cooking oil does Manju's have in her kitchen? How much cooking oil is there in Manju's house? In Manju's house. See here. So answer mustard oil, how much having here? Mustard oil 1 by 4 liter. 1 by 4 liter. Groundnut oil 1 by 2 liter. 1 by 2 liter. Next to sunflower oil. 3 by 4 liter. See here, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 2. See, 2 times we will do this problem. See here, 1 by 4 liter and 3 by 4 liter. So we will add it now first. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equals to 4 by 4. 1 plus 3 by 4. So denominator is equal only, no? Numerator will be added. So 4 by 4. So equals to 1. So then remaining 1 by 2 part. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 1 plus 1 by 2. This is the answer. This is the one way. Another way, sorry, 250 milliliters, like that. Okay? Okay, you will read this. Okay, you will write, children. So next class to next topic we will be discuss. Okay, so 1 liter to how many milliliters, that will be discussed now. Okay, and they are having now in that 122 page, divide into 3 people to one roti will divide into 3 people too. So which slide we are dividing that? So we are discussing. Okay. Okay, children, may I help you? Note down first this. Write that question. Afterwards, write this answer. Okay. Write neatly. Okay, write proper way only, children. This is another step, this is another step, okay? Okay.